in the location in Disneyland. Like they plant the flower, and they have many flowers. Like they plant the purple colors flower. This like rose, but it's not rose. And in others, they plant also the red color. And then you can see also behind, they have someone standing up in the behind. They also prepare to create the location in Disneyland, and they make. I look at this picture. They make like tower, but they make tower from land. So this look at they have like fruit plant, and then you can see also in other side you can see two big dog.